This is Raman Gill. Welcome to episode 77 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at a reversal pattern called railroad tracks. Railroad tracks in the charts look just like the railroad tracks in the real world, where you have one track going one way and another one in the opposite direction, so they run parallel to each other. On the charts, this will show up as one candle going up and another candle going down, and they are usually equal in size. Let's go on to the charts and see what this looks like and how to enter this trade, where to place your stop loss, and how do you exit the trade with a profit.
Here we are looking at a railroad reversal trade setup. A railroad reversal is when the price looks like essentially railroad tracks. So in this case, we will generally have one candle going in one direction and the other candle going in the opposite direction of the initial candle. So in this case, we have a bullish candle, and then price reverses the entire move and engulfs this previous candle. So for railroad reversal trade setup, the candles need to be approximately the same height. So in this case, we have the trend going up, price comes into a support and resistance area, and then we get a railroad reversal trade setup. So in this case, once we see this trade setup, this is hourly chart, Euro US dollar 1 hour chart. Once we see this railroad reversal, we take the entry at the close of the candle. Our stop would go above the high, making sure we give it some room for the trade to breathe, and then we stay with the trade as long as the price keeps continuing lower. So one way to see where the price is likely to go next is to draw your internal support and resistance levels like this. I like to have these on my chart, so as long as price holds below the previous level, we are good to stay in the trade. So in this case, as you can see, price drops, pulls back into this previous support and resistance level, and then drops again, then pulls back into this previous support and resistance, drops further, again pulls back, but stays below this previous support and resistance level, and then comes back into our next support and resistance, and now price drifts back up here. So in this case, since this is a bit of an inefficient move and price does come to the bottom of this may be good time to exit the trade. It is also the end of the day here, so good time to exit the trade. But in either case, we see price pulling back, and whether you exit here or somewhere later, we do exit the trade because price starts pulling back. So this is a one way to stay with the trade and not get tricked out of it. So in this case, from entry to exit, we have 83 pips in the trade. So just to recap here, we look for railroad tracks, which is one candle which is bullish in this case, another candle that is bearish and reverses the price move to the upside. Usually we tend to see this kind of setup at strong support and resistance area. In this case, once the price closes here, the candle closes, we can enter the trade, stop loss goes above the high, and then we stay with the trade either till it comes into a strong support and resistance area, or we see it pulling back. In this case, entry to exit, 83 pips in the trade, or a profit of $830 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this trade setup. If you like this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe below. As always, it was a pleasure sharing these trades with you, and I will see you on the next episode.